Hi, I'm David Leite, and I am here with Jeremiah Duarte Bills, who is a specialist in Portuguese desserts. And we are doing something incredibly delicious. And what is that?
Salame de chocolate salami.
Chocolate salami. That's what we're going to be making. So stay tuned to see how it's done. So now's the moment of reckoning. It's been in the refrigerator for how many hours now?
4 hours.
4 hours
overnight,
too.
Whatever you like.
After you.
Look at that.
Look at that. That's amazing. It looks just like salami. You did it, boy.
Stop.
You did it.
Stop.
Stop
It's so
me.
good.
Stop me. What's interesting is the one does not like this dessert at all. In Italy, refused to eat it. Had this last night, freaked out. You must run to your nearest store, get cocoa and other ingredients, and make Portuguese chocolate salami.
You have to.
Ciao. Obrigado. Hasta luego.